Okay, so nakarating na rin tayo dito sa Leon Gallery International. Well, fuck. You know, I got lost kasi akala ko dun sa Leon Gallery. Kung saan yung Leon Gallery nila along Legazpi Street sa may malapit sa Rada. Doon ako nag-park, malayo pala ito. Tapat lang ng AIM. Halos tapat ng McDonald's there. So, ito. So, I'll just check out this exhibit here for a while and then split na ako. So, Borderless David fucking Hoffman. Ayun yan. So, ito na. So, ito ba ang art ni David? Kasi bato eh. Ayun, David Lubuski. So, Borderless exhibition. Kaibigan natin si David Kaufman. So, di natin alam kung ano yung artwork niya rito. Definitely hindi ito mga to. Ayun, David Lubuski ito. So, hindi na daw si Doc eh. Hindi na si Doc oh. Nakita ko na si Doc. Hindi rin to. Wala akong chikas dito. Ah, Doc! Naligaw ako, Doc! The fuck? I got fucking lost. Very famous Alex the Great car agent in the house. Pare, naligaw ako, puta. Ha?
Wala sa bakay lang doon.
Oo, okay lang, Doc. Puta, pagod ako. Layo linakad ko, Doc. Siyempre si Doc, kasama na Doc Alfie, tsaka si Alex the Great. This is David. Ayun. What the fuck, David? I got lost, man. I got lost. How are you? Pare, parang may sapaw ka. Ah, David, parang may sapaw ka. Ano, how are you? Good, good, good. Siyempre, malakas ka sa akin eh.
I just want to thank all your presence.
Yes, yes, yes.
What the hell is that all?
Ano ba, David? Ano ba tayo na? Word, yeah. Show it to me, come on. Oh, this is your work? Amiga natin.
This is the great Gia.
Hi,
She
Gia.
discovered
Hello,
me.
Maverick.
She discovered me. She's my neighbor in Madrid.
Yeah.
Kapitbahay.
Madrid. Okay, so, yeah, neighbor in
Neighbor in
San Antonio.
Ugong.
San Antonio. Okay.
This is
What's this, David?
Mystery Man.
What do you call this one?
Mystery Man.
Mystery man. Oh, mukha, right? Looks like a face. Yeah. Okay.
Inner self. This one.
Inner self. Very nice. Ikaw ba talaga gumawa niyan o ano? Baka mason ang gumawa niyan ah.
My driver.
Ah, your driver.
I told him what to do. Then this is Dark Forest.
Dark forest. Oh, para mga dahon plants, right?
Yes, it's Wallace Tingting actually.
Wallace Tingting.
And this is the famous Cacneo, Mr. Cacneo.
Oh, Mr. Cacneo, how are you, sir?
Very
Maverick only. Yeah. How are you, sir?
Bernie Cacneo.
Bernie Cacneo in the house.
Awesome architect. And,
Yes.
And this is my very famous friend, Ron Lopez.
How are you, sir? Maverick.
Famous. International artist. Lopez.
So, nakikipag-sosyalan lang tayo rito.
And this is Maverick. Very good friend with Ron Ventura. He does movies. He does singer.
No. Para mabilis, artista po.
Artista?
Artista po ako. Artista.
Well, now you be in front of the camera.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
So, let's
the
have a
camera.
picture, okay.
Artista in short.
Yan.
We used to party together
Yeah.
in the 1990s in bars.
Oh.
Mga Mars boys tayo.
Oo.
Umabot pa ako sa Mars pero culture club pa nun.
Culture Club. Yeah,
Hey,
Culture
Mars
Club.
ba sa Culture Club?
No, Culture Club yung bago naging Mars.
In the same place?
Same place,
Same
yeah.
location?
It's like, parang ano ba? Parang where else, di ba? Naging Euphoria.
Who was your friend there?
Saan?
Cousin?
Lahat. Sila JB Tuason. Si Luis Mael.
No, the Chinese guy, the short guy, Cousin.
Tuason? Who? JP?
JP, Maybe he's a car guy.
Yeah, car guy. Yeah, car
He's
guy.
the truck
Okay.
guy.
Ayan.
Come to the house or come to the car. I'll bring you to the shop.
So,
He's also into vintage cars. He's also into vintage cars.
Oh, David has like Benz eh. I used to have mga American cars. Oh.
Did you take a picture of my pagoda?
Yeah, I did.
You saw it?
I saw the pagoda, that's nice. I was looking for the 1, 2, 3, I didn't see it.
That's upstairs.
Ah, okay, sa taas. Nice to meet you, sir. Sige po, sir. Okay. So, nakikipag-sosyalan lang tayo dito. Mainit to ah. Mainit yan, David ah. Hello.
You know my art, I hope it inspires people to
Just,
have the freedom to breathe.
What do you call this? I'm just vlogging this exhibit right now. So, medyo marami ng tao. Mamaya makikain tayo. So, cut lang ako and I'll be back. Pero maganda rin ha. Maganda rin yung mga artwork ni David ha. Inner self only. Hi ate. Hello. Ano? Courtesy of Pure Foods? Oh. Galing ah. Parang mas masarap ka pa kaysa dito sa mga burger dito. What's your name?
Samantha.
Hi Samantha. So, ito may mga pika-pika sila. Oh, okay. What's this? Sausage? Pangmayaman ba to? Pwede ba sa mayaman to?
Basta pure food.
Basta Pure Foods Deli. Oh. Taste lang.
I like your ring.
You like my ring? Kilala mo ba ako?
Sir?
Hindi mo ako kilala. No?
You look familiar, sir.
I look familiar. Very familiar. Ganito yung tsura ng mga artista kasi. Hawi ka ba si Brad Pitt?
Sir,
Oo, sige later. Okay, so we'll just taste this ha.
sir.
Tama ba to? Oh, paano ba? Medyo maano ah. Ayun, okay. Tignan natin. Lasang ano ah? Lasang longganisa.
Marami kami variant kanina.
Mga variant. Okay. Yeah. Check out. Meron ba tayong mga pangmayaman na drinks dito? Champagne.
Actually, meron po kami wine and champagne.
Binubusan nila.
Sa mga winter, sa mga non-color black po, sir.
Buti wala nagte-take out nito mga to.
Actually, meron, sir.
Meron yan. Meron yan. Parang ano, no? Parang magtatanda na ng mga kasama natin. Kaya meron ka ba ano dyan? So parang natatanda na ng mga bisita natin. Medyo, no? Medyo. Ayan. Okay, so hintayin ko lang yung drinks and I'll be back. Thank you, Sam, ha? We're going to have a picture?
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm doing local campus.
Oh, is that a vlog?
Yeah, it's a
Let's take a
vlog.
photo.
Okay.
Wait, let's not block the fire.
Of course.
pinakamaraming collection ng BMW.
Healing.
Si Alex, sa kanya ko nabili yung palo ko dati. Alex Laurel.
Old school friend, my man.
Yeah.
Old school kami, man. Kaya walang gusto lumapit sa amin.
At least nagbabayad kayo.
Yeah.
Bayaran nyo. Titim pa. May bayad na, may tip pa.
Tigas pa.